Hello students, this is the topic related to the quadratic equation. This is the trick for the splitting of middle term for the quadratic equation. The heading is middle term splitting for a quadratic equation. If we have the equation in the stated form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have to split or we have to factorize the given quadratic equation by the splitting of this middle term. So first we have to multiply the coefficient of x square means a. Okay, this is a, and the constant term c. The product is ac. According to the value of ac, we have to split the value of b. B is coefficient of x. So we have to calculate a number, two numbers, the subtraction or addition of that number will be equals to b. If b is positive, then the addition or subtraction of b means that two numbers will be positive, otherwise it will be negative. Necessary it will be negative or positive. So this is the trick. After that, suppose we split b as alpha and beta in two parts, alpha and beta. So after the splitting, we write this equation in the format of ax square plus alpha x plus beta x plus c equals to 0. Then after we take this first part and the second part as for the common factors. Okay, in this part a and alpha may be common, and x square in between x square and x is common. As it is, we can take the common between b, x and c. Thereafter we solve the equation. So I am giving an example how we can split the middle term and factorize a quadratic equation. So please wait for a second. Now we have an example 7x square plus 50x plus 7 equals to 0. Completely this example is given in the format of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this side I am doing some rough work. It's not necessary to do in the copy. You can solve it in the rough side. A means 7. So first we have to multiply a and c. A is 7 and c is also 7, the constant term. It's 49. This is the product of a and c, means coefficient of x square and the constant term. Okay. Then b. What is the value of b? B is given 50 in the equation. It's plus 50, positive 50. So we have to subtract, we have to split this 50 in two parts, that the sum of that two parts will be 50 and the product of that two parts will be 49. So easily we can consider it's 1 and 49. The sum of 1 and 49 is 50, which is equal to b, and the product of 1 and 49 is 49, which is equals to ac. Okay, so this is the simple way to split the middle term, and I'll explain this all formation to make the factors by a trick. Okay, so first wait. Now I am solving this question by general method, by the simple method. Then after we will solve it after by the trick. Okay, so now we have to write this question according to the 7x square as it is. On the place of 50x, we have to write 49x plus 1x. 1x is means only x plus 7 equal to 0. Now, in the first part, first two parts, arrange it together as it is for the second part. In first two parts, 7 and between 7 and 49, 7 is common. Between x square and x is common. So take it outside. 7x square. We have taken 7x common. So now in the first term, on the place of first term, we have remaining x, because 7 is outside from the x square. X is outside. So which is the remaining part? X. Okay. In the second part, 49x. How many times 7 divides 49? 7 times is the value. As it is, x is outside, so no any x is remaining with 49x. So the factor is x plus 7. In the second part, x and 7. No any x is given with the 7, so x is not common. No any constant is with the 1, so no any constant is common. In that case, we have to take 1 as common and x plus 7 will be as it is in the bracket. Now we can see x plus 7 and x plus 7 are two factors and equal factors between first two terms and second two terms. Okay, first two terms and second two terms. So now we can take x plus 7 as common, so I am taking x plus 7 common. What value we have inside? 7x plus 1 equals to 0. So the factors are x plus 7 and x plus 1 equals to 0. X plus 7 we're taking 0, then x equals to minus 7, and 7x plus 1 equals to 0, then x will be minus 1 upon 7. That is the answer. In next video I will explain a trick. I will explain some more examples. Okay, so now take care about yourself, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.